Tango 21, roger. So here we are with the Duette CB40. This is on the air test. Mr Chippie's in his usual vehicle, going the usual 6 miles. I don't think he's going to get 6 miles on with this half-watt radio, but we will see. Tango 21, Mr Chippie. I'm having to talk a distance away from this with it being a handheld and it having to be on the bench for the video, over.
Yeah, roger that. I mean, it does sound a bit hollow because of that, but apart from that, it does sound okay, over.
Okay, roger.
Right, well, I'm coming towards the end of the lane now.
Okay, got you at the end of the lane. So this is a half-watt handheld with 40 channels. It's on the external aerials, usually it's on external power, and it's supposed to be half a watt, but it's doing about 350 milliwatts.
Right, just passing Ancaster service station.
Tango 21, got you at Ancaster service station, over.
Roger that.
So it's about 3/4 of a mile away at that.
Past the traffic lights now, just passing the quarry, and I'll keep going because I've got to check in at the traffic lights, so I'm more or less at the top of the hill now, over.
Okay then, well, this must be it. You must have got this virus, it must be affecting your brain. So, you've got you at the top of the hill. Do you still read me, over?
Yeah, loud and clear, no problem.
Okay, roger. Okay, that's him at the top of a hill, so he's about 1.5 miles away now. So of course his next one will be no doubt Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. So he's the wrong side of a hill and he's in the dip of that hill.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, turn around Scratchy Corner, over.
Tango 21 to Mr Chippie, I'm receiving you at Scratchy Corner.
Roger that. Well, despite the lack of watts on that, it's only briefly dropped down to about S3, so it's doing well, and you know, it's nice and clear, so there you go.
Okay, roger on that.
Right, going over Wilford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing, roger.
Roger, yeah, getting a bit noisy there, and it just tells that.
Roger. Well, the receive on this is very much the same as any other radio. It's doing about 0.7 of a microvolt. We're getting interference from the radar at Cranwell 4 miles away, which we always do, and the receiver on this isn't quite what you'd get on a more expensive set used as a mobile. So it has the sensitivity but not the selectivity. It's not intended to be used as a base station.
Right, passing the turn to Kelby turn.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, got you at the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, yeah.
Roger Dodger. Oh, that was incredible. That's where quite a lot of sets with a modern peter out. I wonder if we've got someone on an adjacent channel. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, got you at the Greyleys turn. Receiving at Greyleys, over. Okay, roger. Okay, got you at Rawsby level crossing, and that concludes the test 6 miles away. So hopefully you're hearing me a little bit. Tango 21, over.
Yeah, Roger, this is going past the petrol station. It's pretty much obliterated the signal, but coming back out to the side, get down the so I'm just coming up to the roundabout and go around the top.
Okay, Roger. Well, I've got you 6 miles away. I'll catch you later on the computer. I'll say 10-10 to you. Half-watt handheld, but we've just done 6 miles on it. Next week I'm going to send him out with the body camera like we did once before, and we'll see how it performs as a hand portable, and we'll use the Rotel 230 reference set we have here to record it with as well. I'm not expecting so much when it's used as a hand portable on batteries, and I think we had once had 4 miles on one of these, but it was in open country rather than being the wrong side of a hill, which is how we do this. So yeah, that's the Duette CB40, which, as I say, is the DNT HF13 40. It's a half-watt 40-channel handheld, and I'll tell you what, I'll just record to our base station, and then you can hear it for yourselves.
This is Tango 21 testing the Duette CB40 FM hand portable into our Harrier base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Thank you for watching.